Wow, I can't believe you came back. But hey, if you keep watching them, we're going to keep cranking them out. So, the response to our last video, 22 WMR hollow point expansion, was so underwhelming that we decided to give our fan even more of what he doesn't want. Or is that less of what he does want? Anyway, today we're going to test 22 long rifle hollow point expansion. Now, unfortunately, due to limited local availability and our aversion to high shipping costs, we have only 4 types of ammo to test today. This Remington 36 grain Golden Bullet, CCI Mini Mag, also 36 grain, CCI Velocitor, 40 grain, and Winchester Super X, 40 grain. And we have 2 different pistols that we can use for this test. This Ruger Bearcat Shopkeeper model, or this Ruger SR22, 3-inch barrel, 3.5-inch barrel. I'm going to let Junior pick which one we use. Okay, Junior, pick a hand.
Left.
All right, SR22 it is. Let's get shooting. For our test, we'll be shooting water-filled milk jugs from about 5 yards. First, the Golden Bullet. We only recovered 1 Golden Bullet. This was caught by the 4th milk jug. As you can see, no expansion. So we're assuming that the other 2 didn't expand because they exited all 4 milk jugs. Next, the Mini Mags. We recovered 2 of the Mini Mags, both of them in the 3rd milk jug. The 3rd one exited the side, so my poor shooting. But as you can see here, very good expansion. Now the Velocitor. We only recovered 1 Velocitor. That was in the 4th milk jug. The other 2 made it through all 4. As you can see, we have just the beginning of expansion with this one. Finally, the Super X. We captured all 3 of the Super X. These 2 expanded really well. One was caught by the 3rd milk jug, the other was caught by the 4th. The 3rd one was caught in the 3rd milk jug, but we have just minimal expansion on that one. So in summary, we got no expansion from the Golden Bullet, very good expansion in the Mini Mag, minimal expansion in the Velocitor, and presumably none in the 2 that we couldn't recover. Good expansion in 2 of the Super X, partial expansion in the 3rd. So there you go, for what it's worth, and it's not worth much. So what did we learn today? Well, mostly that we have a lot of time on our hands. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, if there is a next time after this one.